Well, welcome on back into the Blessed Living Kitchen, y'all. Hey, new subscribers, we're so glad you're here. I'm glad the Lord blew you this way. Yeah, for some good cooking, fun, and just lifestyle. Yeah, good talk, haha. And I'm just glad you're here. Come on and be welcome and fall in place. Yep. Welcome, family. Hey, how y'all doing? We see y'all. Yep. Oh, I pray God touch everyone and bring forth miracles and goodness today. Yeah. And we're just going to do it again. That good old cream chicken over white rice. Yeah. A good old classic and good favorite in fall, summer, winter, all seasons. It's just a good dish. It's so refreshing. And you know what? I'm going to use I bought 2 rotisserie chickens, and we cut off the white meat, the breast, and we're going to use that. Yep. So I'm going to show you how I make my cream sauce. And I've got the water getting ready to boil for the white rice. And this is a good, quick, but hearty, beautiful dish. Now, my plan was to make pot pies, or a great big pot pie, chicken pot pie. But due to the time that I'm on today, I've got to we're just going to do it over rice, and then I'll make y'all some chicken pot pies soon. Okay, I got my pan here. Let me get started. Okay, what I'm going to do here is going to add, and I'm eyeballing this, y'all, so just flow with me here. I'm going to add in some of that heavy whipping cream, for it to be nice and creamy. That looks like about 2 cups maybe. I'll say 2 cups. Added to that, I'm going to add just a little milk. Maybe a cup. And I'm going to cut in my butter. Or this one's softened already. I'm going to add my butter. I got 1.5 sticks maybe. Nice and buttery. Well, let's give that a good stir. I've got me some chicken bouillon here. This is like a powdered version. I like the powdered version rather than buying the cubes, open in individual packs. So I'm going to drop some in, maybe a tablespoon and a half. Let's get that in. Now, of course, just a little thickener. Got me a tablespoon of flour, and I've sifted it and slowly stirred in until it's smooth without lumps. Some hot water. I'm going to add that in slowly. That's my thickener. Now we need to season that, and I'm going to use my Lori's seasoning. And add just enough. Some black pepper. Give it a finger taste. And now we're going to add 1 pack of Lipton onion soup mix. And I've added a pack of Lipton onion soup mix for that good flavor, hearty flavor. I've got some fresh onions. I'm going to add those in. I got some mixed vegetables, and I want to add those in. See how creamy? That's a great taste. That's it, y'all. That's the taste you want. Now, here comes that beautiful chicken. Fresh rotisserie chicken, all cubed, cut up. Take the skin off. Gonna dump it in. Make sure the skin's off. You have to check them all. You're gonna get those in there. And that's going to be on top your chicken, your rice off. Now let that simmer, all that goodness simmer together. Look at all that beautiful white rotisserie chicken. Now if you want to start from scratch and use frozen chicken breast you have, it'll be just as good. I feel like I want a little more black pepper, just a little. Let's give it a finger taste. That's great. That's going to be delicious, y'all. Let's get the rice on now. 2.5 cups of white rice here. Okay, I will let that simmer. I'm going to turn that down. And the rice has been strained, and I tell you, you catch that rice in time. I never let it go past about, depends on how your stove cooks, so you really don't have, but check on that rice so that it doesn't swell, and you get a real professional restaurant quality size rice, fluffy. And of course, we take it and put it in the strainer and rinse it off in hot water until all the starch is gone, and it just becomes like a bed of snow, fluffy and not swollen. Okay, that's our rice. Oh, voila, and here you are, everyone. Look at that hearty, delicious creamed chicken over white rice and that perfectly cooked rice. Look at those hearty chunks of rotisserie chicken. We've added a croissant with that, and you can have what bread you want. Cornbread muffins or whatever, French bread, or make a side. All your vegetables are in here. I considered slicing some tomatoes just to garnish the plate and make it beautiful, but it's so full of vegetables, peas, carrots, and white potatoes, onions. You got some peppers in there, corn, green beans are in there, and big, hearty chunks of beautiful rotisserie chicken that's been simmering. It's tender, it's blessed, it's beautiful. Comment who's going to try this easy dish, this beautiful, healthy dish for your family. Guess what? Someone coming over quickly and you need to make a dish quick, huh? Your fiance coming over, huh? You winning his heart over? Look at that. Wow, he would love this dish here. Cream chicken over rice. It's our daughter's favorite dish. She said, Mom, make that cream chicken over rice. I'll tell you, she sit at the computer with a bowl of cream chicken over rice and just eat and work. Yeah. So y'all tell me how you love it. Give me a comment. Talk to me in the comments. And I just hope you like it. It's not complicated. Just go through the recipe, and I will see y'all on the next video. God bless and keep us until we meet again.